Welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about some of the important travel tips and tricks you should definitely know. 1. Plan and research. Before your trip, research your destination, including local customs, attractions, and transportation options. Make a rough itinerary to ensure you make the most of your time. 2. Pack smartly. Pack light and bring versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Don't forget essentials like a travel adapter, toiletries, and any necessary medications. 3. Stay organized. Keep important documents like passports, tickets, and hotel reservations in a secure and easily accessible place. Consider using a travel organizer or digital apps to keep all your information in one place. 4. Be flexible. Unexpected changes can happen during travel, so stay flexible and open to new experiences. Embrace the adventure and go with the flow. 5. Stay connected. Make sure you have a reliable way to stay connected, whether it's through a local SIM card, portable Wi-Fi device, or using public Wi-Fi hotspots. This will help you navigate, stay in touch, and access important information. 6. Stay safe. Research the safety of your destination and take precautions accordingly. Be aware of your surroundings, keep your belongings secure, and follow local laws and customs. 7. Try local cuisine. One of the best parts of traveling is trying new foods. Be adventurous and sample the local cuisine. Ask locals for recommendations or try street food for an authentic experience. 8. Learn basic phrases. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in making connections and showing respect to the locals. Simple greetings, thank you, and please are always appreciated. 9. Take photos and capture memories. Document your trip with photos and videos to cherish the memories. Don't forget to put the camera down sometimes and fully immerse yourself in the experience. 10. Have fun and embrace the journey. Traveling is an opportunity to explore, learn, and create lifelong memories. Embrace the journey, step out of your comfort zone, and enjoy every moment. Remember, these are just some general tips, and it's always a good idea to tailor your travel plans to your specific needs and preferences. Safe travels, thank you.